Okay, light-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Dark-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Big girls, you can put it in my video. Thin girls, you can put it in my video. Smarty art chicks, you can put it in my video. Dumb hoes, you can put it in my video. Smooth girls, you can put it in my video. Nerd girls, you can put it in my video. I'm blowing up like my swagger on the Gaza. I'm writing movies where I'm making out with Aubrey Plaza. And homegirl, my homegirl, it is not like that. But if she tried to rape me, I would not fight back. Girls who turn me down are saying please and sorry. You lucky that I'm Randy, Aziz and sorry. So now I'm in the club telling strippers they should back it up. I wanna hang with Lil Wayne, I just hope that I'm black enough. Damn, I guess we're all friends here, except for I don't know you like you was me last year. It's funny how these niggas all treat me like we best friends. I wanna fuck these small girls minus SM, meaning that I fuck all girls, that is wordplay. Catch me on my iPhone doing what the birds say. I ain't going nowhere, somebody better tell a hater. It's going down like my living room elevator. Fuck what you heard, bitch, I'll fuck your fucking brains out and make you wash your boyfriend sheets to get the stains out. Put your fucking boots on, it's time to kick the lanes out. You got your favorite rapper in your ear, it's time to change out. Light-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Dark-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Big girls, you can put it in my video. Thin girls, you can put it in my video. Smarty art chicks, you can put it in my video. Dumb hoes, you can put it in my video. Smooth girls, you can put it in my video. Nerd girls, you can put it in my video. Watch your girlfriend, I fuck her then I up and leave her. Girls chase me like they think my dick is Justin Bieber. Pussy thrown at me, you fucking with a wide receiver. I'm a genius and I ain't try to hide it either. Got a lot of hate, let me pay for what you sip tonight. Mixed girls from Williamsburg, that's my fucking kryptonite. Baby girl, shorty, have it however you want it. Whatever you asking about, I promise you that I've done it. My swag is New York, but my home is the South. And it's amazing how I eat more pussy than out. And I'm all up in your ear, but then I'm all in your mouth. I don't talk, but girls, the only thing we're talking about. Light-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Dark-skinned girls, you can put it in my video. Big girls, you can put it in my video. Thin girls, you can put it in my video. Smarty art chicks, you can put it in my video. Dumb hoes, you can put it in my video. Smooth girls, you can put it in my video. Nerd girls, you can put it in my video. Put it in my video. Put it in my video.
Go get it done.